Hi everyone. So we have a new question in Excel. Um, does anyone know if it is possible to put a picture behind text in the Excel header? Right. So I just tested this. So what we do is go to page layout, right? Then go to sheets options, right? Click on on the on the button on the right bottom corner of grid lines and headings, right? Then you go to the header footer tab, right? Custom header, right? So if you want to put the picture on the left hand side of the header, just select the left section, right? Then over here you can insert picture, right? Then you can actually maybe try to search for photo. So maybe this one, right? Once you have the picture, right, it will automatically put a n open bracket picture close bracket. Press OK. Then you can go print preview and see. This is too big, right? So what you do is you go back, right? You go back to the sheet options, right? Header footer, custom header, right? Over here actually it actually teaches you how to insert picture. To insert picture, press the insert picture button. To format your picture, place the cursor in the edit box and press the format picture button. So there's a format picture button here. So if you click on other section that has no picture, this icon won't be activated. But since you have a picture here, right, you can format picture. So the picture was too big, so just put like maybe 20, I think 20% is still too big. 10%, right? Press OK. Play around with the size until you're happy with the size. So press OK and you print preview. Yeah, so it's much smaller now. So play with the size. I hope I answer your question. If I answer your question, please consider a subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much.